Hello friends, today's video we are going to look how we can create for Sahmi app for getting investor number in ADX. Okay, so before going to create, you can keep it ready for your IBAN detail, okay, as well as for IBAN along with the bank detail. And second will be your address detail in a full way along with the post box number also. Okay, and the third thing will be UAE pass registration. That is an application you need to register before going to register in this Sahmi app. Okay, for UAE pass registration I already posted for one video. I will give you in the description for the link. Okay, you can go and check it before creating for Sahmi app. Okay, let me see how we can create. Okay, now you can go to Play Store. Okay, you can download for Sahmi app. Once you're opening for the Sahmi app, it will show like this. You can choose for the language as English. Okay, from this Sahmi application, whatever the features will be there, that is what showing over here. Okay, your list of digitalized smart services will be there in this application. Okay, and for the second one, AGM, you can vote. Okay, if you're an investor, you can vote for a company which you are investing at. That is also possible. You can track your request. Okay, whatever the doubt you're having for ADX, you can raise for a request and you can check it over there. And investor report, you can get it, as well as you can chart, as well as you can get identify your portfolio and everything else that is possible for Sahmi app. See here, once completed all those things, then it will show you for UAE pass login. Okay, and what is the email ID which you have provided for UAE pass? That same email ID you have to give it over here and you have to click as login. So that's a compulsory one for UAE pass registration. So first you have to do it that one. After that you can come here for registering Sahmi app. So I'm giving for the email ID. Once I'm giving this one, it will show you UAE pass. And once you are clicking this one, you can click as confirm. Then it will ask you for the PIN. Okay, that is for the authentication. Normally other app and all, it will ask you face and other thing. Okay, it has been done in your UAE pass. That's the reason it is asking for the PIN right now. Not required to do for same again. And from this one it will ask you UAE pass and what is the information which has available in UAE pass. Automatically it will link to ADX. Okay, so you can click as proceed. So whatever information available over there, everything will be displayed here. Okay, UAE pass, those information you have given already. Then it will show you this kind of dashboard, and from the left side corner 3 dotted line will be there that you can click. Once you are clicking this one, and from here you can go to my services and click for issue investor number. Okay, once you are clicking this one, it will open for these kind of window. So whatever information which you have provided already for the UAE pass, that will automatically available. The address detail and all, you need to give it in a proper address detail you need to provide over here. Okay, once you are providing for the address, then you have to fill for the IBAN detail. Okay, IBAN for your bank detail. Okay, those detail you have to give, and after that you can click as validate. Once validate, while you are clicking, it will be showing as successful. All the information will be correct. Then it will go to another link, that is other page. These information will be available, just you need to verify. Once you are verifying, you can give a submit. It will show you for investor number created. In a fraction of second, investor number will be getting over it. See here, investor number has been created. This is for the previous dashboard, and right now see, after getting a investor number, it will show like this kind of dashboard, your name as well as investor number. So normally it will create within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, the detail everything will be proper. Otherwise it will take after checking your application, it will take for 1 or 3 days. Within 3 days you will be getting it. Okay, just you can wait for 3 days. Suppose if you are not getting for instantly, okay, then you can check in your application, it will be updated. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch for more videos related to how to invest for UAE stock exchanges and other thing and all. Okay, and useful links I will give you in the description below. You can go through it. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this. Bye.